Good morning, and the last article of complex variables, second unit of our syllabus. This is last article of second unit or second chapter, and it is rectangular, polar and exponential form of complex numbers. Rectangular, polar and rectangular, polar and exponential form of complex numbers. When we consider a point in an argand plane like this is argand plane or complex plane, and if we have any point P on this complex plane, then this point P is represented by coordinates x and y. This will be x coordinate, this will be y coordinate. This is complex plane. Then the point P is represented by the complex number z given by x plus I y, equation number 1. X axis is known as a real axis or axis of reals. Y axis is known as imaginary axis or axis of imaginaries, and therefore this length is simply x, this length is I y. So z is equal to x plus I y. This z is a fix of point P, or this z is the complex number representing point P. Z is equal to x plus I y. This x is rectangular in nature. X and y are rectangular components. Why rectangular components? Because x is perpendicular distance of point P from y axis. Y is perpendicular distance of point P from x axis, and therefore this form of complex number x plus I y is known as rectangular form of complex number. This is rectangular form. It is known as rectangular form of complex numbers. Then, if this is angle theta and if this is r, this is point O, this is point P, this is point M, then triangle OPM is a right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, R is hypotenuse of the right angle triangle, X is base, Y is height, and angle made by the hypotenuse with the x axis is theta. So, what is sin theta from the right angle triangle OPM? Sin theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse, that is y divided by r, or y is simply r sin theta, equation number 2. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse, or x is equal to r cos theta, equation 3. Value of y, value of x is found using Pythagoras theorem in the right angle triangle OPM. Now put this value of x, this value of y from equations 2 and 3 into equation 1. So that this z will be equal to now x is r cos theta plus I, y is r sin theta. R is here, it is taken common. What left is cos theta plus I sin theta. Equation number 4, and this is known as polar form. Equation 4 is known as polar form of the complex number. Equation 1, that is equal to x plus iy. This is known as rectangular form of complex number z. Using Pythagoras theorem in the right angle triangle, or using the trigonometry in the right angle triangle OPM, sin theta, cos theta found from sin theta and cos theta, values of y and x are found. These values of x and y from equations 3 and 2 are substituted in equation 1 to get z is equal to r into in the bracket cos theta plus I sin theta. R and theta are polar coordinates, and therefore z is equal to r into in the bracket cos theta plus I sin theta is known as polar form of complex number. Cos theta plus I sin theta is written in the exponential form, and if cos theta plus I sin theta is replaced by its exponential form, it will become z is equal to r into e to the power I theta, equation number 5, and this is the exponential form of the complex number. Cos theta plus I sin theta is e to the power I theta. Cos theta plus I sin theta, trigonometrically it can be written as e to the power I theta. So this is written in exponential form as e to the power I theta, and therefore when we write z is equal to r e to the power I theta, it is known as exponential form of the complex number. This is about the last article. Rectangular, polar and exponential forms of complex numbers. So here I have written all the three forms. First form rectangular form is derived from this figure, okay, x plus iy. Second form is also derived from the same figure using the polar coordinates. First form written using the rectangular coordinates x and y of Cartesian coordinate system. From the same figure, r and theta are taken as the polar coordinates, and x plus iy is converted to equation 4, which is the polar form of complex number. This bracket can be written as exponential of e to the power I theta. When this bracket is replaced by e to the power I theta, when we go for in-depth study of complex numbers, you will come to know how this cos theta plus I sin theta can be taken e to the power I theta. This is there for MSc course. For MSc first year, complex numbers, complex geometry, complex algebra is there in depth. When you study all those things at higher level, you will come to know how this cos theta plus I sin theta is placed as e to the power I theta. So when this bracket is replaced by e to the power I theta, the complex number is written as z is equal to r e to the power I theta, and it is known as the exponential form of complex numbers. So here I discussed rectangular form of complex number. Actually, before this, while talking about the Argand plane, Argand diagram, in depth I told how to go for this rectangular form of complex number. At the same time, I also explained how to go to the polar form using this rectangular form, and from polar form how to go to exponential form. The same thing I have repeated here again, as it is given as the last article of this unit, this chapter. Hope you got it. With this we complete the second unit of this paper. Thank you.